Okay, so today we're starting the new topic, we're starting geometry. And first of all, we will revise your knowledge of the angles. Now, angles measured, what is the unit of measurement of angle?
Degree.
Measured in degrees. And if we have, so our learning intention today is learn about the angles at a point. Angles at a point. So if we have the line and we make this angle called, how such angle, how it's called? Revolution.
Revolution.
This angle called revolution, and it is 360 degrees. If we have such angle,
Right angles.
Right.
it's called straight angle.
I got it.
It's called straight angle, and how many degrees it is? 180 degrees. And it's called straight angle. So this is a revolution. This is straight,
Yeah.
and
No, the geometry.
Shapes and geometry.
this angle with
Right
the
angle.
90
Right angle.
degrees called
I said it
right angle.
90 degrees.
Yes.
90 is half of 180.
Called.
Right angle.
Now, there will be some more terminology. If we have angle that angle less than 90 degrees,
Acute.
it's called acute.
Obtuse.
If we have angle greater than 90 degrees, but less than 180 degrees, called obtuse.
That's mean.
And the angle that is more than 180, angle that is more than 180,
No, that's a reflex.
reflex. Yes.
Extra. Extra.
That's all you've learned before, so I'm just reminding you.
Wait, Teflon.
Huh?
What's the?
Reflex.
Oh, sorry.
How did you see Tesla?
I have bad eyes.
Sorry, what?
She saw Teflon. I see her. She saw Teflon.
Yeah.
It's okay.
I see it. Yeah.
That's effect of removing braces.
No, I always had bad eyes.
Did she have braces?
So,
Obviously, I had braces.
Nobody knew that.
So he didn't know that. Yeah, he did. He's just lying.
now, some more terminology. If we have straight angle and we divide it into, not very straight line, and we divide it into angles. And they say angle 1 and this angle 2. They add up, angle 1
180.
plus angle 2, they adds up to 180. How such angles are called which adds up to 180? They're called supplementary.
Yeah, that's right.
They called supplementary.
Okay.
Oh, if you figure out like what one angle is and what other angle is.
If two angles adds up to 180, they called supplementary.
Yeah.
If we have two angles which adds up to 90 degrees, so we have angle 1
Wait, you mean if it
Complementary.
adds
and
up
angle
Complementary.
2,
Complementary.
yes. When we have angle 1 plus angle 2 equal 90 degrees, they call complementary. And if we have angle, we have two lines crossing each other. How we name the angles? Say 1 and 2.
Sufficient. Vertically opposite.
Vertically opposite
Oh,
angles.
sufficient.
They called vertically opposite. And they are equal. So angle 1 will be equal angle 2. And we have angle 3 and angles 4. Angle 3 will be equal angle 4. They called vertically opposite. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So those angles called vertically opposite. This is vertically opposite 1, vertically opposite to 2, 3 vertically opposite to 4. And they are equal. So that's some terminology. Let's solve some questions, some examples. Start from some simple.
Bless you. Bless you.
Now, if we have and we will, for most of the cases, we will be using to name the angle. Often we'll use Greek letter theta.
I remember that.
It's called theta.
And alpha.
And beta.
Yeah, we can, but the most often used letter theta.
And we thought it was a 0
Yeah.
test.
Yeah. Now,
Or Superman.
so if we have those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles, and we have, let's say, this angle will be 40 degrees. This angle will be 100 degrees. This angle will be 70 degrees. This angle will be 50 degrees. What will be angle theta?
40.
I don't know.
That's how we will find it.
Vertically opposite and
Okay,
it's 40.
It's
they
100.
all together should add up to what?
360.
It's 100.
Okay. So to find theta, we need to do 360
It's
minus
100.
100
It's 100.
minus
So it's
40 minus 70 minus 50. That will be equal 260, 220, 180, 110.
Mr. B.
Let me double check if I did. So 260 minus 40, 220.
Or you just add
No, sorry, 100 degrees. 100
Yeah,
degrees.
exactly.
It will be 100
But
degrees.
it's
So
vertically opposite to 40, isn't it?
it's not vertical opposite, there is no straight lines. Like I mean crossing
Yeah.
straight
How do we
lines.
know if it's...
Or
No.
you just
Because it's 100.
that
How
theta, does that always mean like the missing one?
It's need to add up to
360.
360.
I think it's just X. It's like another way to say X. but
Yes.
How do you know if like something's vertically opposite?
Shut up, Joe.
Vertically opposite if there are two straight lines crossing each other. Then this angle will be vertically opposite to this angle. This angle will be vertically opposite to this angle. If you have two straight lines crossing like this. Now, next example. Next example. This is a right angle. This angle is x. This angle is 3x. How we will find what x
I know.
equals? Okay, tell us how we know.
So, if that's 90, which means 3x plus x equals 90, which is 4x. So 4x
So we'll
equals
have
90.
3x
Oh,
plus 3x plus x plus 90 will be
Equals
equal 180.
Or it's just
So
4x
you get
plus 9.
4x
Equals
equals
9.
90.
Stunning.
So
90
x
divided by
will
4.
be equal
50.
90 divided by 4. That will be 22.5 degrees.
Why is it 4x equals 9?
That was easy.
Because 3x plus
Oh,
x
so we're
is
minus.
4x.
Yep.
180 minus 90 is 90. 4x equals 90.
So then you have to do
Make sense?
5
Yeah.
times 3,
No,
which is 45.
no. More difficult type of questions. Questions on the clock. Questions on the clock. So how we calculate angles on the clock? So clock is divided, we have
I remember that.
12, we have 12, 1, 2,
Oh, I know. You just
3,
divide it by 12 and then you
4,
get the angle of
5,
1 and then you divide it.
6,
Huh?
7,
Oh,
8, 9,
oh,
10,
seven.
11. So, and we have two hands. on the clock. We have hour hand and minute. So, when through our hand, through 1 hour, it's moved, will move from here to here in 1 hour, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, how many
I don't-
degrees
I
that
don't
will
know.
be?
Divided by 12.
No,
30.
360 divided by 12.
That's what I said.
360,
What?
this
30
angle
degrees.
will be 3, so in 1 hour,
30 degrees.
our hand will move 360 divided by 20 equal 30 degrees. Now,
So like
minute hand in 1 minute,
Divided by
how
60.
many degrees 1 minute hand will
360
move?
divided by 60.
360 divided by 60 will be equal 360 divided by 60.
3.
6.
6 will be 6 degrees. So 1 minute hand in 1 minute moves 6
degrees.
degrees. Now, also we will need to know how far the 1 hour hand moves in 1 minute.
Oh, I know.
Tell
30
us.
divided by 60.
Yes, because in 1 hour it moves 30 degrees.
So there's 0.
In 60 minutes, so it will be
Basically, we're trying to find.
so it will be 30 divided by 60 equals 0.5 degrees.
31 hours, 30
What's that
degrees.
for?
1 hour, that is how far
The hour clock.
the hour hand moved in 1 minute.
30 divided by.
Because
how many
it will make, in 1 hour,
minutes?
it moves over 30 degrees.
What does this mean?
But 1 hour is 60 minutes. So in 1 minute, it will move 30 divided by 60.
6 degrees?
How-
at the moment?
Hmm?
6 degrees?
6 degrees, it's a minute hand in 1 minute.
The minute hand was fast.
The hour hand.
Minute hand in 1 minute moves 6 degrees. The hour hand moves half of a degree. Minute hands move 12 times faster because it's make 1 revolution in 1 hour. And our hand make 1 revolution in 12 hours. Now, question is, what will be the angle between the hour and minute hands if, let's say, at 3:15? So we have at the time 3:15. At 3:15, what will be angle between the minute and our hand? So minute hand will be pointing towards
Oh,
what?
can I?
Just answer my question, please.
3.
Where minute hand will
0
be pointing?
degrees.
It will point towards 3.
And then the next one will be at
Oh,
5.
And next will be little bit more. The hour hand will be past 3.
So it's
Oh, right,
7.5.
never mind.
Now,
I don't know what.
Oh, yeah.
now how we can, yes,
15 times 0.5.
No, divided by 4. Divide, how much does it move in a minute? A minute
okay,
an hour?
it's
30.
moving
30
30 divided by 4.
our,
Time.
So you do 15
No,
times
because-
0.5, which is.
Yes.
Wait, what?
Divided by
In-
12, no.
it
7.5.
moves,
One by 11.
our,
This is easy.
Sorry, what?
our hand move half a degree in minute. So in 15 minutes, how much it will move?
7.5 degrees.
Oh.
0.5 times 15 will be equal 7.5 degrees. So this angle will be 7.5 degrees.
Oh, I thought.
Yeah.
And between them,
I didn't realize you were doing
Yeah.
and between them
Oh,
at
what?
3:15.
Oh, you thought we had like 3.
From 12.
Makes sense how to operate with the angles on the
Yeah.
clock?
Yes.
Okay, that's all what we're learning today. Like, subscribe, donate to help stop Russian aggression and support Ukraine and Israel.
Woo.